Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, I have a box here and this one is from Funko Europe. And I don't know for sure anymore, but I think I got 4 things. So I'm just going to unbox it and we'll see what is in here. So the first thing I am seeing, it is a big one. And it is Captain Hook, and he is in the Peter Pan attraction. So this is Captain Hook at the Peter Pan's flight attraction, and it's for the Walt Disney World 50th birthday. And I got this one for my mom because it's Mother's Day today, and I know she's away for the weekend, so she's going to be home tomorrow, and this one is going to be waiting for her. And she really loves Peter Pan. And I know they also have Peter Pan in the attraction, but I couldn't find him. But I think this one is also really cool. Okay, next one. Stuff. Oh. And it's again really well packaged. Does this work? Ooh. Okay, so the first one I am going to take out, and it is Nelson Muntz from The Simpsons. And it says it's a special edition, and I really love his pose with the pointing finger. A little bit smaller than this one. Okay, so this is it for the pops. Now I'm going for the sodas. And the first one is in the same line as this one because it is Homer Simpson. So I'm going to leave it here and open it up together with this one. So this is Michael Scott from The Office, and my boyfriend really loves it. So he also got Dwight. And now I wanted to give him Michael Scott as well, so I am really curious if I'm going to have a chase with one of these or not. Okay, I'm going to put it here so I have a little bit more room, and I think I'm going to start with Michael. Let's see if this one wants to open a little bit. And I don't know what the chase is for this one, but it will pop up on the screen somewhere. Okay, so I think it's just a normal one, but he is so cool. World's best boss. It is on his mug, and he really has a cool looking pose, and there's even coffee in his mug. So this is a really cool one. So let's see the park flippo thing. And it is Michael Scott. And on the back it says it's 1 out of 6,700. Okay, so now we're going on with Homer. And I know for this one that the normal one is him with a donut and the chase is him with a Duff Bear. And I don't know if I prefer one of them because I think both of them are really cool. So I just have to wait and see what I get. Okay, the suspense. Wait. And it is him with a Duff Bear. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, again a chase. So he looks really happy with his Duff Bear, I can imagine. And I am so happy with this one. Okay, let's go to the puck flippo thing. And here it says you found the chase, Homer Simpson with a bear, and it's 1 out of 1,250. Okay, so this is the haul, and I am really happy with this. And again, a chase in the soda. Every time I get a soda, there's a chase in there, so knock on wood. And I am really happy with this one, but now I want to get another one because I want to get him with the donut. But for now I am so happy with this, and my boyfriend's going to be happy with this one, my mom's going to be happy with this one, and I am happy with these. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you next time. Are not the Funko Pops. Yeah. So the next things. Oh.